up in the air, chance, Imad takes the catch.
Easily done. Given the pitch situation.
Good. There it is. Well, does it get enough on it? I don't think so. Comfortably taken.
This World Cup so far.
A short on this occasion. A chance down in the deep. And brilliantly caught.
Swing the ball. There he goes again. Big inside edge.
Slower ball. Totally done. A fourth for Shahin Shah. Pulled in. Round the way.
Oh, there's a big shout. Behind the bat. Hits the pad and is given second.
Thank you, that's fair delivery. Front on spin, please. Appears to be no back quiz. They got through to confirm that. Thank you. Blocker pitching outside off. Impacts in line. Wickets hitting. 3 reds. And I recommend you start with your decision for outs.
Chris Gaffney will go
As well. Oh, gone! Yeah, that's excellent piece.
Thank you, that's fair delivery. Your best side on, please. Thank you. Keep running. Thank you. I'm ready to make my decision for them.
Out is the call and beautifully bowled. Yeah! Bowling! What a blow! This is
it's been well held and well bowled by Majid.
Oh, close, out. Kevin.
That's the wrong, and he gets it backward of point. He wants to. He's pushed hard for the first. Imad Wazim's ball, and I think he's gone. This will send the Afghani.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice collection by the keeper.
Keep rolling through.
Beautifully done, and he's out by a mile. That could have been the real deal for Pakistan in such a situation. The pressure getting the better of Pakistani skipper.
50 partnership. They go back for 2. Could be tight. I think he might be gone. I think it could be the end.